Hello, APCSA students, and welcome to another beautiful day of Java programming. If you have your phone out, please go ahead and put that down. Thank you. I do want to go over our assignments today so you know what you are working on. All right, we are going to do the string literals and concatenation assignment. 2 meanings of plus lab. You'll watch the video on string objects and then take the video check. You'll watch the video on string methods, read a little bit about string methods and take the video check, and then you'll work on the Intro to Strings worksheet. You should not be playing any games. You've got plenty to do today. Even though I'm off campus, I will be monitoring my It's Learning in case you have any questions. I do want to go over these assignments with you so you are clear on what you're doing. We do have some homework. You do need to read pages 206 to 208 in Java programming. There will be a reading check on Thursday over those 3 pages. Read pages 135 to 144 in 5 steps to 05, and then finish your circle lab. Most of you are still working on that lab, so you do need to get that done. String literals and concatenation practice will be a paper handout that the sub is going to give you, so you do not need to download the worksheet. If you were not paying attention to me on Friday, or you just simply forgot how we concatenate between strings and numeric literals, I did prepare a little video for you. It is right here in the instructions. So you can watch that as you work on your worksheet if you need to. Hand your worksheet into the tray over on the file cabinet once it is complete. Then you're going to work on the 2 meanings of plus lab. Remember that in Java, the plus symbol can be used to add numbers or to concatenate strings. This exercise illustrates both uses. When using a string literal, a sequence of characters enclosed in double quotation marks, in Java, the complete string must fit on one line. The solution to long strings that won't fit on a single line is to break the long string up into 2 shorter strings that are joined using the concatenation operator. So when working with strings, the plus symbol means to concatenate the strings, join them. But when working with numbers, the plus symbol means what it has always meant, which is to add. You'll download the 2 meanings of plus exercise and complete it. You'll write the answers to questions 1, 2, and 3 under instruction C and paste those directly into the It's Learning text box. Then you'll upload your Java file for number 2, as well as a screenshot from the BlueJ terminal window. Instead of importing the Java file, you can simply copy and paste the code from the directions directly into BlueJ. It is copy-paste friendly. And I have given you a little instructional video just in case you need extra assistance. String objects. An object reference variable stores the address where an object is stored in memory. Again, we talked a little bit about this already, but it's different than how primitive data is stored. You'll watch the video on string objects. Then take the video check. Remember that the video check is timed, so you do want to make sure that you are prepared before you start this one. You only have 5 minutes. Next, you'll watch the video on string methods. Strings have actions known as methods. We will review a few of the methods associated with strings that are part of built into the Java libraries. Watch the string methods video. There are a couple of review questions, so answer the review questions and then look at the feedback. And then finally, as a review, there are a number of useful methods when working with strings. Use the arrows at the bottom of the slide to advance to the next slide. So this down here is the arrow I'm talking about. Do go through these useful string methods because you are going to have to work with all of these methods in your upcoming labs. You'll take the string methods video check. And then I have attached the area and circumference of a circle lab again for you, for those of you who are still working on it. All right, have a great day. Listen to the sub. I always tell my subs that I have great classes, so I want to make sure I'm telling the truth here to the sub because the sub just heard me say that, and you guys just have a wonderful day, and I will see you on Thursday.